Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Claude. Every AI platform claims it's the smartest tool on the internet. But if you are trying to automate your daily life, which one actually delivers the best results? Today, we are putting all four to the test with one complex real-world productivity prompt. We aren't asking basic questions. Instead, we are forcing them to build a fully optimized, zero-waste meal preparation plan complete with overlapping ingredients and structured table formatting. And we were looking closely at a common frustration. When do these tools give you clean answers, and when do they clutter your screen with annoying links and references? Let's see who takes the crown. But before diving into it, if you like such contents, you can subscribe to our channel to see similar contents. First up, ChatGPT. Let's paste the prompt and hit send button. Result is ready. You can see that ingredients are written and the preparation plan according to the same thing I expected in 2 sentences are written for each meal. But the exact amount of ingredients are not written here. And finally, it's a grocery shopping list. Items are tabulated in a table, but the exact amount, to be sure that no waste will be made, are not shown here. But anyway, as a reliable all-rounder, I expected a clean, predictable layout. And that's exactly what we got. It immediately understood the assignment, keeping the formatting exceptionally neat. The 2-sentence rules are precise, and the grocery table at the bottom is perfectly structured. However, it played it a bit safe with the recipes. Very standard chicken and rice variations. It's a solid 8 out of 10 baseline. Dependable, structured, and exactly what you'd expect. Next one, Microsoft Copilot. Let's paste the prompt and hit the send button again. Okay, let's look at it. You can see that the dinner idea is written and the ingredients are available. The preparation is written in 2 sentences, and also the other meal and the third meal. It's a good table. It can be exported, downloaded, or copied. And but the exact amounts are not available in any way, but it's a good case. Now Copilot behaves interesting here. Because it's natively backed by a search engine, it handles practical logic well, giving us realistic ingredient choices. But here is an insider tip on how Copilot works, especially regarding those annoying clickable reference links that often clutter your text. Because our prompt focused purely on logical reasoning rather than live web data, Copilot realized it, and it didn't need to search the web, giving us a completely clean, link-free response. The downside, even without the link clutter, the layout still feels a bit rigid and text-heavy compared to a dedicated writing app. Now let's look at Gemini. Let's paste the prompt again and hit the submit. The meals are ready. Ingredients and preparation rule. All of them are available, and some details are also written here. It's good. And finally, a well-prepared table, and you can see that amounts of each item is also written here as a shopping list. Very nice. It can be exported to sheets and also copied. Gemini shines when it comes to user interface and utility. The layout is spaced out beautifully, make it by far the easiest to read on a phone or monitor. But the real superpower here is the ecosystem integration. With one click at the bottom of the screen, you can export the entire generated grocery list directly into Google Docs or Google Sheets. If you live in the Google ecosystem, this convenience factor is massive. And finally, Claude. Let's paste the prompt and hit the submit button. Okay, the result is ready. The interesting point is that some items are common in all the meals. And you can see the ingredients and preparation method with some details. It's good. In other meals, you can also see them. And grocery list, it's classified with a meat or produce or dairy and egg. And also the item, the amount of each item is also available here. But I think I cannot export the table. There's nothing to be exported here. This is where things get interesting. Claude is known for its writing depth and reasoning, and it absolutely nailed the zero waste overlapping ingredients constraint. Instead of generic meals, it suggested highly creative chef-level dishes that intelligently reused every single leftover vegetable and protein. The writing feels completely natural and highly personalized, though it doesn't have the fancy export button that Gemini features. So how do they stack up side by side? If you want the most creative, thoughtful answers where the AI genuinely understands complex logic, Claude wins hands down. I'll give it A plus as an overall score. If you want maximum convenience and want to instantly send your list to spreadsheets or documents, Gemini takes the prize. Overall, A is a good score for that. And if you want a quick, no-nonsense layout that works perfectly every single time, ChatGPT remains the reliable standard. I give it A- as a score. And if you need to pull in web search, prices, or store links, stick with Copilot. Just be prepared for those extra reference links to pop back up in some cases. I want to give it B+ as a score, overall. Ultimately, the best AI depends entirely on how you want to use it. I have pasted the exact prompt I used in the description below, so you can test it out yourself with other AI platforms. Drop a comment and let me know which AI gave you the best results. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more practical AI workflows and other tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.